Hi, I recently rented a Winnebago Revel. I've been lusting after one of these 4x4 RVs for a while, and I wanted to see if it would fit a family of four, and most importantly, if my wife would like it. Unfortunately, my mic broke during filming, so I'm sorry for the bad audio. But enjoy my impressions of the Winnebago Revel. You see two boys sitting here. Ridley's 5. Corbin, how old are you?
9.
9. So you got room. It's a little tight. I don't know if I'd want to be there for hours and hours. Could you be there for hours and hours?
No!
It drives like a big pickup truck. A lot more power than I expected, and it is pretty smooth. You guys good back there?
Yeah.
Good. We set up our camp. Boondocking it on a sketchy road. I'll take you outside. It's very, very cold. It's like 10 degrees outside. But so far it is 64 degrees in here. So no issues. How's the living room?
Good.
Good. Table set up. And then you guys have this lovely little nook back here.
We're staying out of the way.
You're staying out of the way. I like it. So we're gonna put the boys here, and then we'll sleep here, but we'll lower the bed.
Who wants to fishing?
Everybody's kind of comfortable. It's a balmy 70 degrees in here, and it is 10 degrees outside. It's pretty windy. I'll show you the setup, how we have it right now. Extra food, our kind of kitchen stuff, telescope, coats up here. In this pantry, luckily they came with all the stuff. They came with pots, pans, plates. We put more food up here to block the cold cab, and that's from the owner. He said that the magnet ones cause too much problems, and so far it's doing pretty good. We put our winter gear in the center here, little laptop, and then the bathroom, we left that shelf up. Some more food, more water. I like Corbin can actually sit on that bolster. Are you gonna sleep on there?
No.
You should.
Toby says hi. Hi, Corbin.
Like Ridley's up on the bolster. I think
Can I
having the
turn this
living room
off?
set up. Are you guys ready for bed?
No.
Get them set up.
Hi.
You guys cozy back there? We survived the first night. The heater held pretty good at between 63 and 67. And it was cold. We woke up to a little snow. The bed is more comfortable than I expected, but we did have a visitor. A little guy came to join us last night. So 3 people, 2.5 people cannot fit comfortably in that bed. When we woke up, we had 70% of the battery left, which I think is pretty good. And then the heater, I thought that the heater ran all night. I was expecting it to use a lot more diesel. And it was about probably 2/10 of a tank, maybe a gallon of diesel, which is really, really good. We pulled out of our spot, some snow, but it was no problem. Little gully. I had it on 4-wheel drive. So I think we're at 9,000 feet, maybe 8,500 feet. We're in the Rocky Mountains by Netherlands. But beautiful morning, a lot of snow coming. We expect over a foot, and then it's going to be -11 temperature tonight. So we'll see what our plans are. How was the first night in the adventure van, Corbin?
Good.
Good. Were you warm enough?
Yes.
Yeah. Ridley, how about you? Did you sleep good?
Toby says good.
Toby slept good. Good. We had a Class A like 8 years ago, and we had it for about a year. It was a super fun adventure, and the best part of the Class A was being able to have all your stuff. And it wasn't even like an RV, it was like your suitcase came with you wherever you went. And I really like the van. I like the fact that you have all your stuff with you. So stopping for breakfast, making coffee is super easy. We're on this pull-out that you saw, and it's easy to just get the kids some breakfast. So +1 for the van.
Arf, arf, arf. Arf. I don't know.
Got a nice little spot.
Arf, arf, arf. Arf, arf, arf.
We are at the Olympic Museum with the Revel. Hope you can hear this. The RV heater is going. I want to sum up our experience with this, and tell you the good is it's amazing. That you can park it downtown. That you can go over nowhere. The size is perfect, but it's perfect for 2 people, maybe a third, 3 people. With little kids and 4 people, if you're spending a lot of time in the coach. Which I guess in the summer you're not going to. You're not going to spend a lot of time sitting here. But just due to the weather, we spent some time in here. Quite a bit of time actually in here. And the size does definitely get a little tough. Everything else though, it's self-contained, the heater, the systems all work great. Another thing I'm very impressed with is how well it drives on the highway. I expected since it was going to be so high up, that it would be super bouncy and rattly, but it was not. It was comfortable, easy to hold conversation, talk to the kids, drive. The cruise control with the radar assist worked great. So I was actually really pleased with that. So only bad thing that really did not like is the stereo in this is terrible sound. It really sounds like an AM radio from the 50s. The unit itself is nice. I mean, the touchscreen and Apple CarPlay, all that is cool, but the sound, wow. I mean, that if you buy one of these, that's the first thing you should upgrade. So that's my experience. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and thanks for watching.